Students, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about factors affecting the reaction rate. So important 5 mark question, factors affecting the reaction rate. The rate of reaction is affected by the following factors. First one factor, nature and physical state of the reactant. Nature and physical state of the reactant. And then second one factor, concentration of the reactant. Concentration of the reactant. And then third one factor, surface area of the reactant. Surface area of the reactant. And then fourth one is the temperature of the reaction. Temperature of the reaction. And fifth one factor is the presence of catalyst. Presence of catalyst. And then sixth one factor is the exposure to light. Sixth one factor is the exposure to radiation. Exposure to radiation. So these 6 factors are affect the rate of a chemical reaction. So first one factor is the nature and physical state of the reactant. Second one, concentration of the reactant. Third one, surface area of the reactant. Fourth one, temperature of the reaction. Fifth one, presence of catalyst. Sixth one, exposure to radiation. First one factor, nature of the reactant. Nature of the reactant. So nature of the reactant or affect the rate of the reaction. So generally chemical reaction involves the breaking of certain existing bonds of the reactant and forming new bonds when lead to the product. So the net energy involved in this process is depend on the nature of the reactant. So the rate of reaction is different for different reaction. So generally rate is different for different reaction. So generally chemical reaction means chemical reaction involves the breaking of certain bonds of the reactant and forming new bonds which lead to the product. In this process net energy involved is depend on the nature of the reactant. Okay, generally the rate of the reaction is different for different reaction. Okay, so how to affect the nature of the reactant affect the rate of the reaction. So generally the rate of reaction increasing order. Rate of reaction increasing order. Solid less than liquid less than gas. Okay, so the increasing order of the rate of reaction, solid less than liquid less than gas. Okay, so gaseous reactions are more faster than the liquid reactant reactions than solid. Okay, So the reactant physical state of the reactant is play an important role to affect the rate of reaction. So gaseous reaction, gas based reaction is more faster than solid based reactions. Okay, right? So பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இங்க வந்து gaseous substance வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ரொம்ப ஃபாஸ்டா ரியாக்ட் ஆகுது. இதை கம்பேர் பண்ணும்போது liquid substance and solid substance கம்பேர் பண்ணும்போது. Okay, then second one factor is the physical state of the reactant. Second one factor, physical state of the reactant. Physical state of the reactant. Okay, physical state of the reactant. Generally the physical state of the reactant also play an important role to affect the rate of the reactions. Okay, so gas based reactions are faster as compared to the reactions involving solid and liquid reactant. Okay, so gas based reaction is more faster. So gaseous reaction greater than liquid reaction greater than solid base reactions. Okay, so gaseous reactant பார்த்தீங்கன்னா very fast chemical reaction involve ஆகும். எதை கம்பேர் பண்ணும்போது பார்த்தீங்கன்னாக்கா liquid substance chemical reaction involve ஆகும்போதும் and solid substance வந்து chemical reaction involve ஆகும்போது பார்த்தீங்கன்னாக்கா gas based reaction வந்து more fast இருக்கும். Okay, so gas based reaction are more faster as compared to the reactions involving solid and liquid reactant. For example, reaction between sodium and iodine. Reaction between sodium and iodine. So sodium is a solid substance. React with the iodine vapor is a gas to form sodium iodide. Sodium iodide Na2NaI, sodium iodide. Okay, so 2 moles sodium iodide are formed. Okay, so iodine is a vapor iodine is used in these reactions. Okay, for example is the reaction of sodium metal with a iodine vapor is faster than the reaction between sodium and a solid iodine. Sodium and a solid iodine. Okay, so வேப்பர் அயோடின் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா சோடியம் கூட வெரி ஃபாஸ்ட்டாக ரியாக்ட் ஆகுது. எதை கூட கம்பேர் பண்ண பார்த்தீங்கன்னாக்கா சாலிட் அயோடின் கூட கம்பேர் பண்ணும்போது. ஓகே, ஸோ ஃபிசிக்கல் ஸ்டேட் ஆஃப் தி reactant is play an important role in the effect of rate of reactions, right? Then next one is the physical state or two types. Okay, physical state and physical size. Physical state and physical size. Okay, so size of the particle, reactant particle, size of the reactant particle. So rate of reaction is inversely proportional to the reactant particle size, right? So the size of the reactant is inversely proportional to the rate of reaction. Okay, so size of the particle increases, rate of the reaction decreases. Okay, so size of the particle decreases, rate of reaction increases. So size are inversely related to the reaction rate. Okay, and then next third one is the concentration of the reactant. Concentration of the reactant. So concentration of the reactant plays an important role to affect the rate of reactions. Okay, so higher concentration reactant react more than the lower concentration of the reactant. So example for this case explained in this topic using collision theory. So according to collision theory, the rate of reaction depends upon the number of collisions between the reacting molecules. So number of collisions between the molecules. So higher concentration of the molecules are present in the reaction barrier, there is a greater possibility for collisions. So greater possibility for collisions and a greater possibility for the reactions. Okay, higher concentration, greater possibility for collision and a greater possibility for the chemical reactions than the lower concentration. So the concentration is higher, rate of the reaction is increase. So lower concentration, rate of the reaction is decrease. Okay, right. Then next fourth one factor is the surface area of the reactant. Surface area of the reactant. Okay, so the relation between the rate of reaction and surface area of the reactant as follows. The rate of reaction is directly proportional to the surface area of the reactant. So surface area of the reactant increases, rate of reaction also increases. For example, this topic, reaction between calcium carbonate with the dilute HCl. For example, for this factors, reaction between calcium carbonate CaCO3 plus dilute HCl. Okay, so the reactions, for example, reaction between calcium carbonate and dilute HCl. Okay, in this reaction taking two types of calcium carbonate. One is a solid carbonate, so கட்டியா இருக்கு இல்லையா, அந்த சுண்ணாம்பு கல்லை எடுத்துக்கிறோம். செகண்ட் ஒன் பார்த்தீங்கன்னாக்கா பவுடர்டு கால்சியம் கார்பனேட். ஓகே, சாலிட் calcium carbonate. Second one is powdered calcium carbonate. Okay, so powdered calcium carbonate is react faster than the solid calcium carbonate. So reason is the, so powder calcium carbonate more surface area to react the reactant molecules. Increase in the surface area of the reactant lead to the more collisions per liter per second. Okay, surface area increases, number of collision also increases. Okay, number of collisions per second also increases. So number of collision increases, rate of the reaction also increases. Okay, so rate of the reaction is directly related to the surface area of the reactant. Okay, so surface area increases, number of collision per second increases, number of collision increases, rate of reaction also increases. Okay, so powdered calcium carbonate react much faster with dilute HCl then with the same mass of calcium carbonate marbles. So சுண்ணாம்புக்கல் இருக்கு இல்லையா, கால்சியம் கார்பனேட் சுண்ணாம்புன்றது என்னதுனாக்கா சுண்ணாம்புக்கல், கால்சியம் கார்பனேட் மார்பிள்னா சுண்ணாம்புக்கல். அது வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கட்டியாக இருக்கும். அங்கே வந்து சர்ஃபேஸ் ஏரியா வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னாக்கா ரொம்ப லெஸ்ஸாக இருக்கும். ஓகேவா, ஸோ அங்கே ஒரே ஒரு சுண்ணாம்புக்கல்லில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னாக்கா ஒரே ஒரு சர்ஃபேஸ் ஏரியா மட்டும் தான் இருக்கும். புரியுதா? ஸோ அந்த சுண்ணாம்புக்கல்லை வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னாக்கா பவுடர் பண்ணும்போது ஒவ்வொரு பார்ட்டிகளும் பார்த்தீங்கன்னாக்கா அந்த பார்ட்டிகல் சைஸ் குறையிறதுனால சர்ஃபேஸ் ஏரியா வந்து இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகும். சர்ஃபேஸ் ஏரியா இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகிறதுனால ரேட் ஆஃப் ரியாக்ஷன் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகுது. ஓகே, ஸோ powdered calcium carbonate react much faster with dilute HCl than the calcium carbonate marble. Okay, so surface area of the reactant increases, collision, number of collision per second increases, number of collision per second increases, rate of reaction also increases. So the rate of the reaction is directly related to the surface area of the reactant, right? Then next fifth one factor is the temperature of the reaction. So fifth one is the temperature of the reaction. Okay, so already we know that temperature of the reaction increases, rate of the reaction also increases. Okay, so temperature increases, temperature of the reaction increases, rate of reaction also increases, right? So rate is directly proportional to the temperature of the reaction, temperature of the reactions. Okay, so temperature increases, the reactant molecules gain more energy and reach the transition state and immediately converted into the product. Okay, so temperature of the reaction increases, rate of the reaction also increases. Okay, already we know that the Arrhenius equation. So Arrhenius equation explains the effect of temperature on the reaction rate. Okay, so temperature increases, rate of the reaction also increases, right? Then sixth one topic is the exposure to radiation. So is a photochemical reactions. Exposure to radiation, this type of reaction is the photochemical reactions. So rate of some reaction increases when the reactions are carried out in the presence of radiation, only in case of the photochemical reactions. Okay, photochemical reactions occur only in the presence of light or UV radiation. For example, photosynthesis is the example for this factor. Okay, sixth one factor, exposure to radiation. For example, photosynthesis, right? So photosynthesis reaction do not occur in dark. Okay, only the photochemical reactions occur in the daytime. So every reactions to the reactant molecules to react, a certain amount of energy is required, right? So photochemical reactions do not occur in dark. Okay, இருட்டுல பாத்தீங்கன்னாக்கா இந்த photochemical reaction வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா நடக்காது, லைட் இருந்தா மட்டும் தான் நடக்கும் certain reactions. So example, photosynthesis, right? And then next one topic is the seventh one topic is the presence of catalyst. Okay, so generally catalyst is a chemical substance. The substance increase the rate of the reactions, and then after the completion of the reactions the catalyst is regenerated. Okay, right. Certain reactions, there is a significant changes in the reaction can be brought out by the addition of some substance is called catalyst. Okay, some reactions la pathina some chemical substance add பண்றதுனால அந்த reaction rate வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா increase ஆகும். ஓகேவா? சோ அந்த chemical substance நாம என்ன பேர் வைக்கிறோம்னாக்க catalyst னு சொல்லி நாம பேர் வைக்கிறோம். Okay, a catalyst is a substance, the catalyst which alter the rate of the reaction. Without itself undergoing any permanent chemical change. ஓகேவா? கேட்டலிஸ்டோட நேச்சர் வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னாக்கா ஆஃப்டர் தி ரியாக்ஷன் முடிஞ்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா மாறாம இருக்கணும். A catalyst is a chemical substance which alter the rate of reaction without itself undergoing any permanent chemical change. ஓகேவா? ஸோ ரியாக்ஷன் முடிஞ்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னாக்கா ரேட்டை வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிக்கிறோம். நெக்ஸ்ட் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அந்த கேட்டலிஸ்டோட நேச்சரில் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா எந்த ஒரு கெமிக்கல் சேஞ்சுமே இருக்காது. ஸோ ஆஃப்டர் தி ரியாக்ஷன் தி கேட்டலிஸ்ட் இஸ் ரீஜெனரேட்டட். Then so the catalyst participate in the reaction. Okay, catalyst is participate in the chemical reaction, but again the catalyst is regenerated. Catalyst is regenerated at the end of the reaction. So after completion of the reaction, the catalyst is regenerated. Okay, so in the presence of catalyst, in chemical reaction, in the presence of catalyst, the catalyst decrease or lower the activation energy. So due to lowering the activation energy, more number of the reactant molecules cross over the energy barrier. So the change over the product. Okay, more molecules cross over the energy barrier and immediately converted into the product. Okay, so the using catalyst in the chemical reactions, the activation energy of the reactant molecules lowered. Okay, so activation energy of the reactant molecules lowered, more number of the reactant molecules cross over the energy barrier and immediately converted into the product molecules, right? So lowering the activation energy of the reactant molecules cross over the more number of the reactant molecules, so the rate of the chemical reaction also increases, right? Okay, so in this topic explains a simple graph. So reaction progress and potential energy taken in y-axis and reaction progress x-axis, right? So in the absence of catalyst, the reaction progress as shown in the graph. So in the absence of catalyst, the reactant molecules, energy of the reactant molecule slowly increases to reach maximum, then decrease the energy to convert it into the product. Okay, in this case the energy of the reactant molecules is greater than the energy of product molecules. So in the presence of catalyst, so this is the activation energy. In the presence of catalyst, the activation energy of the reactant molecule decreases. So to reach the maximum, reactant molecules cross over the energy barrier and immediately converted into the product. In the presence of catalyst, the activation energy of the reactant molecules decreases, right? So difference தெரியுதுங்களா? In the absence of catalyst பார்த்தீங்கன்னாக்க நல்லா உங்களுக்கு புரியும். In the absence of catalyst, so the activation energy of the reactant molecules பார்த்தீங்கன்னாக்க அதிகமாக இருக்கும். activation energy பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அதிகமாக இருக்கும். ஸோ கேட்டலிஸ்ட் யூஸ் பண்ணும்போது அந்த ஆக்டிவேஷன் எனர்ஜி ஆஃப் தி reactant molecules குறைஞ்சிருக்கும். வித்தியாசம் புரியும்னு நினைக்கிறேன் உங்களுக்கு. சரியா, புரியுதுங்களா? ஸோ கேட்டலிஸ்ட் யூஸ் பண்ணும்போது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அங்கே ஆக்டிவேஷன் எனர்ஜி ஆஃப் தி reactant molecules வந்து டிக்ரீஸ் ஆகுது. ஓகே, ஸோ ஆக்டிவேஷன் எனர்ஜி ஆஃப் தி reactant molecule decreases, cross over the more reactant molecules to energy barrier and immediately converted into the product, right? Thank you students, see you next class.